This time I will answer a question on the Linux CNC channel. It's on how to resculpt from a Grayscale to a real 3D part. Is this possible? Yes, it is. So here's our Grayscale 8-bit. It's about 1920 by 1200 pixels. So let's sculpt. How do we do that? We use Blender. It's a free software available for 3D manipulating videos and whatever you like to get. It's like Pixar movie generator. I try to get it inside here, you see. No, I need to move it up. Yes, there we are. Now all buttons we need are inside. So left click, there's our cube. We need to get rid of the cube. Oh, first I need to make sure you can see what I'm pressing. I hit N and I had an add-on here, show the keys I'm pressing. So right mouse click, you see here it's a right mouse click on the cube, with X delete the cube, 7, 5 on the numpad to get straight, with Shift A mesh plane. I know here are the sizes, the transform sizes on this side. I know my plane will have a dimension on X by 80 millimeters, on Y by 50 millimeters. So there we go. I keep it in the position. Here the scale has changed. You can clear that up. Apply scale. And if you move it to location, you should apply the location also to 0 here. So with tab you go inside the edit mode here. Tab goes inside object mode, edit mode, and we need to subdivide our plane. I subdivided here. Let's go for the first time for this thing here. Subdivided, and I will now go back to object mode here. In the right thing, I need, with the plane selected, I need to add the material. Doesn't matter what. And I need to add a texture. The texture will be our Grayscale. So texture, image or movie. And can I grab the last one? No, I need to open it. So tutorial, Grayscale, open the image. There we go. So now I get this by sight. We just don't need it. Here on the upper side, if the arrow is changing the mouse, you can split the area. Now we get rid of this by T, rid of that by N. So we have 2 views now. There's also N up. And this, the right view, we go to UV image editor and we add our Grayscale here to that. Okay, it's behind this button here. So to the left side here, I get rid of that one. T but we need it. Right click. If the cursor goes offline, doesn't matter. You can bring it back with Shift S and cursor to center. Then it's centered almost. Here we go to from object mode to edit mode by hitting tab and hitting U to unwrap. Now you see it's the mesh we have here is aligned with our picture. So now if this is done, we can go back, put this away. So let's go more inside. I need a little more. Yeah, there we go. Go back to object mode, and here the wrench makes the modifiers. So we make a modifier displays. What is the texture to be displayed? We use our normal texture. You see, it's something happened here already, and we go on the UV map, the local UV map. So it's displayed now on the UV map. I know the strength will be 8 millimeters for the height, and now you see it's pixeled. Of course, we have not enough vertex. It's now 289 vertex and 256 faces. So let's move into this side. Right now it's already selected. With T we bring back our system. We go to edit mode and we subdivide. I go 2 times more. I think I need 3 times. Let's subdivide 1 more and go off, and you see there's our sculpt for resculpting. Here, let's do it smooth. So we see a nice little lady performing out of our plane. So 1 more subdivide and we should be done. But I think you get the point. Hopefully it will not break off now. There we go. We have now 66,000 faces. You see it's already more pixels, so we have to go 1 more, but on the recording now I will stop here. In real time you can go as much as you want. You have to apply it. Now let's do it. Apply the mesh. Now it's a real mesh, and then file, export to STL or whatever you want to save it. So that's it.